It's fair season in Ohio, and right now for thousands of 4-H members, that means making sure their projects are ready to be judged. Let's meet a couple of these young people on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
In Ohio 4-H, we call it finding their spark. And so when they find their spark, they're really finding something that talks to them. If it's a food and nutrition project, maybe they're interested in healthy eating or things of that nature. And if we can work them through picking out a project and going through the Ohio 4-H Family Guide, where they're learning the basics about what a project book may offer, and then going through the process of completing the project with their project helper, so maybe mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever their project helper may be, and then bringing it on into finalization at the fair or a project evaluation.
I've done rabbits, rifles, safety of guns, archery. I've just always loved to shoot bows, and I've just always wanted to do like a project. You have to be able to know the safety of the ranges. You want to have your feet 1 foot in front of the firing line, one behind, and then you want to have your arrow, and there's one odd-colored fletching, and you want to have that pointed up. Know how to take care of your bow. This is how I safely store my bow. It's got padding and straps to keep everything secure. And then there's firing line, waiting line, and then target line. Archers to the target line. And then right here, then archers retrieve your arrows and return to the waiting line. And you will return and wait for the rest of the commands. I would say it's a great learning experience, and it can help you go along. Breathe in, fire.
4-H offers a project for just about any interest you can have. But for those couple really specific interests, we have self-determined projects, which are projects that you build yourself. It's built of 4 interest areas and then 4 activities within each of those interest areas. So an interest area could be, for my mini pig project, they were like health and weight control of mini pigs, grooming, and feed, diet, exercise training, enrichment. Those are big parts of care for a mini pig, and that's what I was focusing on in my project. So then some of my activities were teach my mini pig 3 tricks, establish a healthy diet for my mini pig, things like that. There's also self-determined starters, so things like model railroads, homing pigeons, those are self-determined starters. So they're not a complete project, but it's a list of activities and interest area ideas that the members can pick from and build their project like that. I think everyone should be in 4-H. It's one of the greatest experiences ever. 4-H camp, fair, all the extra experiences that you get in 4-H, the friends that you make. 4-H is really, there's an opportunity for everyone. There's a project for any interest, from sewing to cooking to raising steer. Everyone can find something that they enjoy, and it's just a great experience.
For more information on Ohio 4-H and how to get your child involved, go to go.osu.edu/extension today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.